I'm Amalia Leandro with SmallCapPower, and today we are at the 2013 Toronto Resource Investment Conference, where we will be bringing you interviews with all the top speakers. Be sure to subscribe to our free newsletter for daily investment ideas, exclusive research, expert articles, and interviews with small cap CEOs.
We're here at the Toronto Resource Investment Conference. I'm Monique Kurnath, special correspondent for SmallCapPower. I'm here with Mickey Fulp, the Mercenary Geologist. When we last spoke, Mickey, you were excited about the uranium sector. Do you still believe that uranium has a good upside?
Well, I do, and not in the short term, but certainly in the mid to long term. And that's been kind of my shtick for a while, is I'm a long-term uranium bull. What I have seen is continued mergers and acquisitions in the sector over the summer. I expect that to continue, and that's bullish for the business.
What are some of your favorite uranium names that you're following right now?
Okay, I would have to say, last time we talked about Strathmore Minerals. I said it was a short-term takeout target. Well, sure enough, a couple of months later, it got taken out by Energy Fuels. That's just being completed. I am now a very happy Energy Fuels shareholder, and they are the largest conventional uranium producer in the United States. So I like that company. I also like the near-term ISR producers and developers in the United States. They can produce uranium quite cheaply. That would include companies like Uranium Energy Corp, Uranners, etc. So I have to say, I'm a shareholder of Energy Fuels and I'm a shareholder of Uranium Energy Corp.
So where do you see the uranium price in 12 months from now?
Oh boy, that's hard to say. I think it will continue to be depressed. Do I think it will continue at $34? Well, I hope not. But we have this short-term supply excess right now, and it has a lot to do with the fact that Japan still has 49 of 50 uranium reactors are offline, so that's about 10% of world demand that's gone away. So until your Japanese reactors start to come back online, and they will do that, I think we're going to have a relatively depressed uranium price.
Well, how are you finding right now with the investment sentiment here at this year's conference? How are you finding it?
Well, I think it's probably better than it would have been in the middle of the summer. So we saw a bounce from June's low. We saw a healthy July in the Toronto Venture Index, kind of a flat August, but there's a bit of buzz. There's money being raised right now. So I think we're all cautiously optimistic that the sector is getting better, but certainly good stories are being rewarded. And that's very positive.
Aside from uranium, are there any other commodities that you like right now?
Well, I always like copper, and copper is probably my favorite commodity for long-term potential. So I'm always looking for good copper companies, and I'm very bullish because there's 75,000 more people on the planet every day. There's 25% of the planet can't turn on a light switch at night, live in the dark, and you got to have copper to transmit electricity. So the long-term supply-demand fundamentals of copper are compelling.
Are there any other few favorite stocks that you would like to share with our viewers?
Well, certainly in copper space, I really like Curis Resources. That's CUV on the Toronto Exchange. They will be a near-term ISR copper producer in Arizona. They lack one final permit before they go into construction and then production. So we expect that permit to come sometime in the fall here. And once that's on, then game on for Curis. They're a Hunter Dickinson company. They got plenty of money in the bank to complete construction of their first phase. So I'm really bullish on that stock. I own it, and they're a sponsor of my website.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Mickey Fulp.
You can get more expert interviews on the experts page at smallcappower.com. And don't forget to sign up to receive the weekly Ubika Gold 50 report featuring our list of the top 20 gold prospects. smallcappower.com. Investment ideas and research.